it's Janine, living life with a twist here. My mom woke up not feeling so good this morning, so in this house that means homemade ginger ale with fresh ginger, sugar drops, and seltzer water. So stay tuned for this recipe. I know you're going to want to incorporate it for your family. Okay, y'all, here we go. This is what I said. Ginger has a lot of great properties, but today what we're using them for is anti-nausea. Now, I love ginger ale no matter what. This is especially excellent if you have any sugar issues, because we're going to be using the sugar drops. We are at the tail end of our ginger paste, and so we actually get this off Amazon, and so that will be below as well. So, what I have here is also just plain Kroger seltzer water. And it's good, it's hard, so they're, you know, they're like 80 cents at Kroger. Anyway, ice and whatnot. So like I said, the recipe will absolutely be down below, and you can ask me any questions you need to. Super simple. We're going to take one good size tablespoon here, a little bit heaping. You don't have to make it exact. This is not baking. Okay, this right here is going to contain 2 cups of seltzer water. So I'm going to pour that in real quick. And this is a little old, but we're, like I said, we're kind of in a pinch right now. Mom's not feeling so good, so this is what we're doing. Okay, so that's 1 heaping tablespoon of ginger paste. This is 2 cups of seltzer water, or you can, well, look, it's not that much seltzery there, so it's dang near water, so we're just going to call that. And then it's going to be 20 sugar drops to 2 cups of water and 1 tablespoon of ginger. And actually what I'm going to do is I pre-measured it, because my goodness, that would be really boring. And I'm going to do, just to make sure I have all the sugar there perfect, you know, I do it in the home differently, you know, right here, drop by drop. But anyway, I'm going to give it a good mix, because I don't want to put ice in here to dilute it right now, because this is room temperature. So for her, I now have a glass. And this is a tried and true recipe for us, so I know for sure that these measurements are perfect. And this is what I'm going to be taking to her so that she will feel better. This is great for digestion. It's great for anything, but that's what we're using it today for. Alright, y'all be blessed. Hit thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, notification, all that good stuff. If you have questions, please don't hesitate, but go on and put them down there, and I will get right back to you. Y'all have a blessed day and live that twisty life.